this is the Stirling engine. And first I'm gonna kind of just describe some of the parts. This is a hot cylinder and the cold cylinder, and they're connected by two little rods of metal, or connecting rods as they're called in some machines. There's also a flywheel right here, which is heavy and it stores inertia, because if you've ever kind of loaded a wagon with something and then ran it down the sidewalk and then tried to stop it, then you have to, sometimes it'll run over your heels because it has inertia. And here's the generator, which has copper wires inside with magnets going through them, which generates electricity. And this is the candle with rubbing alcohol inside. And there's a little wick, sort of made of woven cloth. So, and then there's this light bulb right here, red connected to red, black connected to black. And then it came assembled, so there's not really much work to do. So now I'm just gonna light this. And place it underneath this hot cylinder. And let it warm up for 1 minute. So while that's heating up, I'm just gonna talk about some experiments that we're gonna do. So, when it's going, I'm gonna take off these little wires and see what happens. And I'm also gonna blow out the candle and we'll see what happens to the light. Okay, now we kind of need to give this little flywheel a bit of a head start. So let's see if it's ready yet. Looks like it is. Now you can kind of see how this is working by using its own light. So I'm gonna take off one of these wires, and now it's going faster. I don't want to wreck my machine now, so I'm gonna turn this back on. So you can see how it's working. And now I'm gonna blow out this candle. And as you can see, it's still going. And when I took off the alligator clips, the sound kind of got a little bit louder because the electricity wasn't really flowing into anything. And now slowly this flywheel is starting to get a bit slower, and the light is flickering, and now it's out.